Hello friends, again warm welcome to Fisheries Only, Nourishing Fish, Nurturing Life, a educational YouTube channel. Today we are going to share one more video regarding the classification, distribution, habit and habitat of the and features, general features as well as the special feature of the trigon, that is the stingray. In this video we are going to discuss this point. Now let's move toward the first one, classification. Trigon comes under the phylum Chordata, that is chordata means the dorsal tubular nerve cord present, gill slits are present, that is called as a chordata. Group Craniata, craniata means the brains are present in a cranial cavity or cranium, that is called as a group Craniata. Subphylum Vertebrata, that is vertebral column present. Then division Ganthostomata, in Ganthostomata jaws as well as the paired appendages are the peculiar characters of the Ganthostomata. Superclass Pisces are in these Pisces, gills are present, skins with the scale as well as paired fins are present. Class Chondrichthyes, in Chondrichthyes the endoskeleton is made up of cartilage, that is called as cartilage fishes also. Scales are usually placard type of Chondrichthyes. Spherical valves are present in the digestive system or intestine. Operculum is mostly absent in Chondrichthyes. There is no operculum. Here is gill slits are absent. Then subclass is the Selachi. Selachi is having peculiar characters such as gills in a separate gill slits, that is called a cloaca opening present, that is mostly shark and rays are come under the subclass Selachi. Order Hypotremata, that is the gill slits of ventral side, that is the gill slits are present on Hypotremata. The gill slits are present on the ventral side. Spiracles also present in the order. Family is a Ragidae, genus is a Trigon, or it is also called as a Daciatiasis. Now we discuss the classification and its peculiar characters of the trigon, that is the stingray. Before going to the habitat and general features, we have to discuss the external morphology of the this trigon. First we see that this one is a trigon species. Here is a head, snout is present, eyes are present, prominent eyes, pair of eyes present on the dorsal side of this species. Spiracles present just behind the eyes. This one is a trunk. The body is mostly divided into head region, that is trunk region, and this one is a tail region. This one is a pectoral fin. Pectoral fin is a modified fin present from the snout up to the pelvic fin. This one is a pelvic fin. Pelvic fin is a small fin, small pair of fins. This one is a claspers, is mostly present in the male fishes. This one is a pelvic fin and this one is a pectoral fin. Pectoral fin is become a flappy structure, and these are the tail region. Consist of the tail is like a whip, that is called as a trigon, and there is stings. 3 stings are present in this species. This is the peculiar characteristics of this species. Or 3 spines are present, and tails are generally narrowing towards the end. This one is a tail region. This one is a colorful photo of the trigon. This one is a pectoral fin. This one is snout, eyes, spiracle, then trunk region. This one is a pelvic fin, and this one is spines. 3 spines or 3 strings are present, and this one is a tail or caudal fin. Now we see just the classification of fish. Trigon is commonly called as stingray or whip tail ray due to the presence of the spines, and whip like tail, that is called as a stingray or spine. Its geographical distribution is abundantly distributed in a tropical regions of Atlantic as well as the Pacific Ocean. It is found in India, China, Australia, South and North America, as well as in Japan, as well as in Australia. Now we discuss habit and habitat. Trigon is found quietly near or quietly laying to the bottom of the ocean or sea, and it is sometimes moved toward the other places in search of food or to protect or from the for self defense, to protect from the enemies, like he can move or change his position, but he is mostly present or lying in the lying towards the bottom region. It is mostly a carnivorous in feeding habit. Its food and feeding habit is mostly carnivorous feeding, and is mostly feeds on crustacean, molluscan and small fishes. The mouth is mostly present on the ventral side. It has adaptive and protective characteristics of coloration for the self-offense and defense purpose. The coloration patterns may be is found in these trigon fishes or stingray for the capture of prey or for the protect from the predator, that is the enemy. That is the coloration pattern. That is a adaptive, special adaptive features of these stingray. Now we discuss just the characteristics of the or general features of the stingray. Body is mostly divided into three parts, that is head region, trunk region and tail region. Body is flat, that is the dorso-ventrally flattened and become a kite-like structure. As we seen, it is become a kite-like. The body is a border 1.3 times broader than the length, that is the disc-shaped body are found, that is flat disc-shaped body. It is a dorso-ventrally flattened body. It resembles like a disc. The anterior margin of the pectoral fin starts from the snout to the pelvic fin, that is it form body is a border 1.3 times broader than the length. Pectoral fins begins a confluent with sides of the heads. It is start from the snout to the pelvic fins. Skin is a smooth or sometimes scales are present on this skin. Mouth is a ventral side and it is a rectangular shape. Mouth is at a ventral side and it is a rectangular shape. Head contains pair of dorsal eyes, that is the pair of prominent dorsal eyes present in the head in dorsal side area. Spiracles are present just behind the eyes. Gill slits or 5 gill slits are present on the ventral side of the fish. This is a peculiar characteristic of viviparous fish. It gives birth to the young ones, and during the development of the embryo, the uterine filament secretion, milk-like secretion, acts as a nourishment or serves as a food for the developing embryo. That is peculiar characters of these fishes. They can secrete milk-like fluid, and from which the developing embryo bring its nourishment. Now this is the iconic importance of the fish is this fish is edible, as well as the oil are required from the liver, that is liver oil we can get from these fishes. Now we discuss the special features of these species. These are the sexually dimorphic fish, mostly in fishes. As you already seen, the claspers are present near the pelvic fin. Pair of claspers is present in the male fishes, and cloacal aperture are present in the female fishes. The tail is especially elongated and whip-like and contains 3 mid-dorsal fin, which is a modification of the dorsal fin. And this dorsal fin is these stings or spines are poisonous and it is about 20 to 35 centimeter long and acts as an offense or defense organ by this species. The caudal fin is a small and single lobed and which is a terminator narrow toward the end region. The poisonous sting, it is inflict the wounds in the victims, and this sting with poisonous gland produces usually slow healing wound. The wound created by the bite or inflict of these stingray, the wounds become usually slow healing wound, and sometimes it is a complicated cases such as the gangrene or tetanus are observed in bathers as well as the fishermen. The main identification of this species is a whip-like tail, that is called as a triggerfish. Hello friends, thus we discuss the trigon, that is the stingray, its peculiar characters such as the poisonous spines, that is 3 spine, which its bite can create wounds on the victims, and this may be linked to the gangrene or tetanus in mostly in bathers as well as conservators or any observers or any fishermen. Thus we discuss the classification, its habitat, food and feeding habit, general features, special features, as well as the distribution and identification of this particular fish. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel, promote the channel, and also press the bell icon. Thank you.